press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students, so in this exercise 13.8, so far we have completed 4 problems. Now I will take up the 5th one. So exercise 13.8, question number 5. So we are discussing about sphere, surface area and volumes. So mainly we will discuss about problems on volume of sphere. How many liter of milk can, question number 5, please refer to page 236. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So hemispherical bowl will be of this shape. So this is the hemispherical bowl, and it is given the radius, what they are given here, diameter is 10.5. So from here to here the diameter is given as 10.5 centimeter. This is hemispherical bowl. Hemispherical bowl. So how much milk it can hold? That is the question. So we have to calculate the capacity. That means capacity means the volume of the bowl. So diameter of bowl, diameter D of the bowl is 10.5 centimeter. So therefore radius will be D by 2. 10.5 by 2 is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Now with this data we will be able to calculate the volume of the bowl. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is for hemispherical it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So therefore volume is how much? So we have volume of hemispherical bowl, V is given by the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this equals 2 by 3, pi is pi, it is, when it is not given you have to take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r is 5.25 whole cube. This equals, to simplify this you will get 303.1875 centimeter cube. So that much of milk it will hold. The question is, find the volume of sphere, how many liters of milk? So they need in liters. So therefore 1 liter, you have this in mind, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube. So therefore what we have to do is divide it by 1000. So therefore this will equal to 303.1875 by 1000. Instead of centimeter cube I will write liter. this equals 0.30318. You can write liter. So this much of liter the bowl will hold. So this completes question number 5. So now I will move on to question 6. Please note down this. Question 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. Hemispherical tank is made up iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So we have to, it is like this, it is a hemispherical tank, it is like this, and it is 1 centimeter thick, it is like this, 1 centimeter thick iron sheet is used. Now, if the inner radius is 1 meter, so from the center, this is 1 meter. From here to here, that is the inner radius. So what is asked? We have to calculate the volume of the metal used in making the water tank. So this volume we have to calculate. Now, so if this is the inner radius, if I call it as say R, and outer radius is from here to here. This is 1 point, so this is 1 centimeter thick from here to here, therefore it is 1.01. This is 1 meter and this is 1 centimeter, therefore it is 1.01. 1.01. So therefore I will write like this: let the inner radius be R. So that equals 1 meter. Let outer radius be capital R, that equals 1.01 meter. 1.01 meter. So for hemispherical, volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So when we take up the outer radius, it is capital R cube, 2 by 3 pi capital R cube, and we will give the full volume to the outer edge. So when we take up the inner radius, we will give the inner volume. So if you subtract both, we will get the metal quantity. So therefore, volume of iron used, volume of iron used in making hemispherical tank will be equal to, this is volume will be equal to the volume, outer volume, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube, capital R cube, minus 2 by 3 pi small r cube. I hope you will understand this. Now with this we will get, take 2 by 3 pi outside, we will get r cube minus capital R cube minus small r cube. So this equals 2 by 3 pi into r cube. R cube is 1.01 whole cube minus small r is 1 cube. Now you simplify this. So this equals, volume equals, I will write here, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.01 whole cube minus 1 cube. This equals, so you simplify, you will get 0.06348 0.06348 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the iron used. So therefore volume of iron used equals 0.06348 centimeter cube. This is question number 6. Please note down. I will move on with question number 7 now. Question number 7. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So given surface area 154 centimeter square. You observe here, this is given. So 4 pi r square. From that we can calculate the radius. When we get the radius, we can find the volume. So find the volume, we have to find the volume. So what is the volume? So using the given surface area, calculate the radius first. So we have surface area equals 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So therefore surface area is given, it is 154. 154 equals 4 into 22 by 7 into r square, or we can write it as cross multiply, you will get divided by 1. So 4 into 22 into r square equals 154 into 7, or r square is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. Now, this is 749. So 11 twos are 11 ones are 11 fours are. So 11 ones are 11, 44 remaining, 11 fours are. So you will get, so 2 ones are 2 sevens are. You will get 7 into 7 by 4, or this is r square is equal to 49 by 4, or r is equal to root of 49 by 4, or that is equal to 7 by 2. R is equal to 7 by 2. R is equal to 7 by 2. So where radius is known, seventh question, we have to find the volume now. Now volume is given by, so this is surface area of a sphere, volume is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Apply that formula and find out the volume. So now volume equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 whole cube. So this equals 4 into 22 into 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube divided by 3 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 cube. Now simplify this case, you will get 179 2 by 3 centimeter cube. So this will be the volume. So now I move on with the question number 8. Question number 8. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. A dome of a building. So it is in this fashion. building dome. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost rupees 49, 89, 60. So inside the dome it is whitewashed and the cost was 49, 89, 60. If the cost of whitewashing is 20 per square meter, so rate rupees 20 per square meter or m square. Find the inside surface area of the dome. So inside surface area, this is the total cost, a rate is given. If you divide from 20, we will get the inside surface area. Now, so therefore, first one, therefore inside surface area will be equal to, so cost divided by the rate. So cost divided by rate. So that is 4989.60 by 20. So this gives the $249. Divide this, you will get 249.48 meter square. So this is the inner surface area. So we got this surface area, curved surface area, hemisphere, curved surface area we got, it is pi r square. So using this formula, now we have to calculate R. The next question in that, volume of air inside the dome. So to find the volume of air filled in this, we have to use this formula. Here we need R. This R we can obtain from this relation because we have the curved surface area. So we have curved surface area equals, and this is nothing but curved surface area. So curved surface area is given by hemisphere 2 pi r square. So it is 249.48 equals 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. Now, so this will be cross multiply, you will get 2 into 22 into r square equals 7 into 249.48 r square equals 7 into 249.48 divided by 2 into 22, or r square equals 39.69. Now, so R will be equal to square root of 39.69. So R will be equal to, we will get 6.3. 6.3. R will be equal to 6.3. You know how to calculate the square root. So I will show you 2 by 3. See, we have 39.69 here, 39.69. So we have to find the square root of this. From the decimal towards back side, we will make 2 in group, and towards right side also we will make 2 in group. So that is 6 are 36. So we are left with 3 here. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 69 at a time we will take down, put a decimal here, add 6 to 6, we will get 12. So if you put 3 here, you have to put 3 here also. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and the remainder is 0. This is how we have to calculate the square root of this number. So we got the radius. When you know the radius, we have to calculate the air, volume of air inside the dome. So volume of air inside the dome so for a hemispherical dome, volume is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 whole cube, volume is equal to. So now we got the volume as well. Now this works out to be 523.9. So one decimal approximation, it can be meter cube. Meter cube. Now this is actually question number 8. Question number 8 is over now. Now I will move on with question number 9. "27 solid iron spheres." Question number 9 says 27 solid iron spheres. Round balls, you can imagine. Spheres, each of radius r and surface area s. So their radius r and surface area s. So such 27 solid spheres, the problem says, are melted to form a sphere with a surface area s dash. So they are melted to form a single sphere. 29 balls, spherical balls, 27 spherical balls are melted to form a single ball. Its surface area, this is S. Surface area of single sphere is, say, S dash. Remember, the earlier one is S, that is S of each one out of 27. Find the radius R dash. So surface area of sphere is S dash. Find R dash, that means radius of the new sphere we have to find out. So this is the question, equals what? So 27 small balls, their radius is R and surface area is S. They are melted and to form a single sphere. Its radius is R dash and surface area is S dash. So here S dash is known and we have to calculate the R dash, that is the radius of the new ball we have to calculate. So we have volume of solid sphere, volume of solid sphere equals 4/3 pi r cube. We have this standard formula. So therefore volume of 27 iron spheres will be equal to, see, 27 numbers into 4/3 into pi is 22/7, or I will keep it as pi only, into pi, and R is, in this case you can see, this is R is R only. I will write as R cube. So 3 ones are 3 nines are, you will get 36 pi R cube. 36 pi R cube is the volume of 27 spheres. Volume of 27 spheres. Volume of new sphere. Volume of new single after melting single sphere is equal to, it is 4/3 pi, its radius is R dash, so therefore I will write R dash whole cube. R dash whole cube. So obviously the volume of 27 spheres and the volume of this single sphere, because entire metal, iron metal melted and one is prepared, the volume should be equal. So therefore, so what we will get, this volume and this volume, they have to be equal. Therefore 4/3 pi R1 4 by 3 pi r dash cube must be equal to 36 pi r cube. 36 pi r cube. So 1 must be equal to, this is first relation, this is 1 and this is 2. So we should have equations, 1 should be equal to 2 because volume of 27 balls must be equal to volume of the single big sphere. You simplify this. So here this pi and pi get cancels. You will get so r dash cube 36 r cube. Simplify this, you will get, so r dash cube will be equal to 36 into 3 into r cube by 4. So that is 9 za 4 1 za 4 9 za 27 r cube. R dash cube is equal to 27 r cube. 27 r cube. So we can write it like this. Observe here, r1, so r dash cube is equal to 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. I will write 3 cube r cube, or it is 3r whole cube. Now both side you can take cube root and cancel the cube. Therefore, r dash is equal to 3r. R dash is equal to 3r. This is very important relation. So therefore, radius of the new sphere will be 3 times the radius of that older small balls, 27 balls. So therefore, radius of new sphere is 3 times the radius of 27 balls, sphere balls. So this completes the 9th one. So last problem under this exercise, 10th problem, a capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. A medicine capsule. So is like a sphere, a round capsule, spherical capsule when we use it as a medicine capsule. So 3.5 diameter means from out to out, this is 3.5 millimeter. How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill in this capsule? So given diameter is equal to 3.5 millimeter, so therefore R will be equal to D by 2 is equal to 3.5 by 2, so 1.75 millimeter, 1.75 millimeter. So that is the radius. Now the question is how much medicine is needed to fill this. So volume is given by, therefore volume is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 whole cube. So you will get, simplify this, 22.458 millimeter cube. So therefore 22.458 mm cube medicine is required to fill the capsule, in the spherical capsule. Spherical capsule. So this completes all the exercise under surface area and volume, dear students. So in the next class I will take up one more new chapter. So thank you all.